Okay, so let's start by jumping right to the end and getting to the point. The gist is, all three of these methods work. However, they all work to varying degrees. But don't stop the video just yet, because at the end, I'm going to show you a painful mistake I made while trying to restore our headlights that will cost me what it would have cost to just replace these darn things. But I digress. We'll get to that. Let's start with the Meguiars. You want the quickest solution? Go with this. You wipe it on, you wipe it off. Done. The improvements though are just okay. Our headlights were pretty bad, so this wasn't good enough for me. The 3M clear coat route will give you the longest lasting result because according to some of the people I talked to, no matter what you do, the yellowing and haze comes back after some time and it's a maintenance thing. So I thought I wanted the clear coat, but after seeing the end result, I wasn't satisfied. If you want the cleanest, clearest results, go the compound polish method. Ultimately, it's what I ended up doing. Fortunately, the first few steps of the clear coat and compound polish method are the same. So first, you need to wash your headlights with soap and water. Next, tape off the areas surrounding the headlight, and then depending on how bad your headlights are, you can either start at 500 grit or 800 grit. If you decide to start with 500, just do 800 next. After 800, start wet sanding with 1000 grit. All this means is that you get a spray bottle with water and basically sand wet. Keep wet sanding all the way up to 3000 grit. And then if you're doing a clear coat, then this is the time you wipe on 2 coats of the clear coat and then you're done. Just wait about 15 minutes between coats. If you're not doing a clear coat, then now is the time you do the rubbing compound. After which you do the polishing and then you're done. Now, remember when I said at the beginning that I made a painful mistake? Well, here's what happened. And I'm sharing this so that you don't make the same stupid mistake. I was working under the sun, and while I used tape rated for automotives, it was just being baked into the car's paint job. So much so that when I peeled it off to admire my work, this happened. Now, this is a 10-year-old car with its original paint job, so this might not happen to you, but do yourself a favor and don't do this under the hot sun. So the good news is, your headlights can be restored. The bad news is, now I need to get the car a new paint job. Oh well, we lived, hopefully you learned.